Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to resubscribe a customer in Hubspot, something every marketer and sales professional needs to know to keep their email list clean and engaged. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to bring any unsubscribed contact back into your campaigns safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, log into your Hubspot account. Once you're in, head over to the Contacts section. Here, you can search for the customer you want to resubscribe. You can do this by typing their name, email, or any unique identifier in the search bar. Once you've found your contact, click on their profile to open it. Scroll down to the subscription information section. Here you'll see all the communication types this contact has opted in or out of. Now, if the customer is currently unsubscribed, you'll see the status as unsubscribed next to the specific subscription type. To resubscribe them, simply click the Manage Subscription button. HubSpot will give you the option to update their subscription preferences. Select the subscription you want to resubscribe them to and confirm your changes. It's important to remember that you should always have consent before resubscribing a contact. This ensures compliance with email regulations and keeps your deliverability high. If the customer has given you explicit permission, your updates will take effect immediately, and they'll start receiving your emails again. After resubscribing, double-check the contact subscription status to make sure it's updated correctly. You can even send a test email to confirm everything is working smoothly, and that's it. Resubscribing a customer in HubSpot is simple when you follow these steps. Keeping your contacts engaged and respecting their preferences is key to successful email marketing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a HubSpot tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.